Hello achievers, today we are going to learn the national parks in India. National parks in India are IUCN Category 2 protected areas. India's first national park was established in 1936, now known as Jim Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand. Earlier it was known as Heli National Park. IUCN stands for International Union for Conservation of Nature. It was established in the year 1948 and it decided a criteria which site to be declared as National Park, Wildlife Sanctuary, Project Tiger, etc. There are 107 existing national parks in India covering an area of 44,402 square kilometer, which is 1.35% of the geographical area of the country. In Jammu Kashmir, there are four national parks. Dachigam National Park, Kishtawar National Park, Kazinag National Park, City Forest National Park, also known as Salim Ali National Park. Next in the list is Ladakh, which is also a union territory. In Ladakh, we find one national park, that is Hemis National Park. It is the largest national park of India. It is famous for snow leopard and it is also the highest national park in India. H for Hemis, H for highest. Now comes Himachal Pradesh. In Himachal Pradesh, there are total 5 national parks. First is Great Himalayan National Park, then Indarkila National Park, Kheer Ganga National Park, Pin Valley National Park, Simbal Bara National Park. इंदर ने ग्रेट हिमालयास पर बैठकर इनसे सिम निकाली. In Punjab, there is no national park. Comes Haryana. In Haryana, we find two national parks. First is Kalesar National Park and second is Sultanpur National Park. Now comes the state of Uttarakhand. In Uttarakhand, there are six national parks. First is Gangotri National Park. As we know, Gangotri is a glacier in Uttarakhand. It is also a national park. Govind Bashu Vihar National Park, Jim Corbett National Park. This is the first national park in India that was established as Heli National Park in year 1936. Then comes Nanda Devi National Park. It is UNESCO World Heritage Site. Now comes Rajaji National Park, Valley of Flowers, UNESCO World Heritage Site. In Uttar Pradesh, one national park, that is Dudhwa National Park. Sharda River is the main river. In Bihar, we find one national park, that is Valmiki National Park. Famous rivers include Gandaki River, Budi Gandak River. Now comes the state of Assam. In Assam, we find 8 national parks. These are, trick to learn is Monk, MONK, 1D2 and R. M stands for Manas, O stands for Orang, N stands for Namiri, K stands for Kaziranga National Park, R stands for Raimona National Park, D stands for Dihing Patkai National Park, D2 stands for Dibru Saikhova National Park. In Maharashtra, there are 6 national parks: Chandoli National Park, Gugamal National Park, Navegaon National Park, Sanjay Gandhi National Park, Tadoba Andhari National Park, Pech National Park. Remember, Pech National Park makes border between Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. Nanchi National Park, Bandipur National Park, Baner Ghata National Park, Kudremukh National Park, Nagarhole National Parks, Blackbuck National Park, Vansda National Park, Gir Forest National Park, Marine National Park, also known as Gulf of Kutch National Park. In Goa, there is only one national park, that is Molam National Park. Famous Dudh Sagar Falls are located in the Molam National Park. In Chhattisgarh, there are 3 national parks. Guru Ghasidas National Park. It is the extension of Madhya Pradesh Sanjay Gandhi National Park. Indravati National Park, Kanger Ghati National Park. In Kerala, there are 6 national parks: Anamudi Shola National Park, Eravikulam National Park, Mithiketan Shola National Park, Pambadum Shola National Park. Periyar National Park. Periyar is a river in Kerala. Silent Valley National Park is a part of Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, that was the first biosphere reserve of India. It is near Kunthi Pujha River. Ravikulam National Park near Pambar River, Kerala. In Tamil Nadu, there are 5 national parks. First is Indira Gandhi National Park, Guindi National Park, Gulf of Mannar, Dumalai National Park, Mukurthi National Park. In Andhra Pradesh, there are three national parks: Papi Konda National Park, Rajiv Gandhi National Park, Sri Venkateshwar National Park. There are three national parks in Telangana. First is Mahavir Harina Vanasthali National Park, Kasu Brahmanand Reddy National Park, Mrugvani National Park. In Odisha, there are two national parks: Bhitarkanika National Park, Simlipal National Park. In West Bengal, there are six national parks. First is Buksa Tiger Reserve, Gorumara National Park, Jaldapara National Park, Neora Valley National Park, Singlila National Park, Sundarbans National Park. Trick to learn is जल नहीं दिया तो भूसा मारा. जल जल्दापरा, नहीं दिया न्यूरा, भूसा बुक्सा, मारा गोरुमारा. Singlila and Sundarbans. In Sikkim, one national park, Khang Chandjongha National Park. It is the third highest peak on the planet after Mount Everest and K2. In Rajasthan, there are five national parks. First is Desert National Park. Second is Keoladeo National Park, also known as Ghana National Park. Mukundra Hills, Ranthambore National Park, Sariska National Park. Let's cover the Seven Sisters. In Arunachal Pradesh, there are two national parks. First is Moling National Park and second is Namdapha National Park. In Nagaland, there is one national park and that is Tangi National Park. State of Manipur is a home to two national parks. Kibul Lamjao National Park, that is the world's only floating national park. Siroi National Park. In Mizoram, there are two national parks. First is Murlen National Park and second is Phangphui Blue Mountain National Park. In Meghalaya, there are two national parks. First is Balpakram National Park. Second is Nokrek National Park. In Tripura, there are two national parks. First is Clouded Leopard National Park and second is Bison Rajbari National Park. In Andaman and Nicobar Islands, there are nine national parks. First is Campbell Bay National Park, Galathea National Park, Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park, also known as Vandoor National Park, Mount Harriet National Park, it is the highest peak in southern Andaman, Rani Jhansi Marine National Park, Saddle Peak National Park, it is the highest peak in North Andaman, North Button Island National Park, Middle Button Island National Park, and South Button Island National Park. India has 7 natural UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Kaziranga National Park, Assam. It is famous for one-horned rhino. Second is Keoladeo National Park in Rajasthan, known for its bird sanctuary. Manas Wildlife Sanctuary in Assam. Sundarbans National Park, West Bengal, famous for mangrove forest and Bengal tiger. Nanda Devi and Valley of Flowers National Park, Uttarakhand. Great Himalayan National Park in Himachal Pradesh. Western Ghats. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.